today's video, I want to give you a case study of a marketing project we tried, an experiment that failed. And that was the rewriting of our coaching page to have short copy instead of long. There's been this debate forever in the copywriting community about whether short copy or long copy is best. Some people say you need long landing pages where it's data point after data point, testimonials, all of this stuff in order to sell the thing that you're selling, to get somebody to take action and to actually buy. But there's another group of copywriters that says the exact opposite is true. You need short copy. You need to the point copy that makes it as easy as possible for someone to click and buy whatever you're selling. It's a great example of something we went over a couple weeks ago, which is that all pieces of advice have two sides. Long copy works and short copy works. But for us, in this instance, short copy didn't work. So here's our coaching page. Here's what our landing page looked like before the change. We were converting about 2 clients a week to consult, and they want to learn how to improve their agency business. So our coaching funnel is, normally they would find a YouTube video of ours. Almost always it's coming from YouTube search. Then they would watch a video and book coaching directly. We didn't have an email drip sequence or anything in there pointing to this landing page. We do now, and I'll go over what that is in a future video. But they would find the coaching page, they would land on this, and the headline is here, want me to help you double, triple, or maybe even quadruple your revenue for the next quarter. And here it outlines exactly what we do for them. There's testimonials here, there's pricing here. It's all in this website. This is written by Ronaldo, by the way, who runs our marketing. But as a huge fan of testing, I thought we could do better. My favorite coaching page of all time is this short page from Neville Medora. It's literally a picture of his face. Did you know Neville takes on 4 different private consulting clients? 1 paragraph of copy, then the buy now button, and that's it. So I asked Ronaldo to write a version of our consulting page based on Neville's. We copied a lot of it word for word, which if you watch the Gary V Instagram video, that is something I recommend if you're trying to test a new marketing channel. Copy it word for word at first and then do your own version. Exactly what we did here. And we saw conversions drop from where they were before down to almost 0. We had maybe 1 conversion in the entire month we had this landing page up. And so we changed it back to this. What did we learn from this experiment? Well, we kept a few items from Neville's copy page in this new document. For instance, this pricing section is still based on Neville's. Before, we were only selling 1 hour of consulting. There were no packages or anything like that. And having them as packages on this page has increased revenue dramatically. That's why I'm saying the experiment wasn't a total wash, because it did lead to this one insight, which has increased our revenue. The other thing that experiment taught us was that we needed a more intense email drip to sell people on coaching. So we rewrote our email sequence. It's a 5-day drip where we're basically hard selling people on coaching as they sign up for any of our lead magnets on this YouTube channel. And we'll go over that entire sequence in the future. There's still a few things I'm testing. I'm trying to get our revenue as high as possible before I show you guys what's going on to have the best case study for you. What is your opinion? Long copy, short copy? What do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this valuable, we're trying to hit 100,000 subs this year. So if you wouldn't mind sharing this with a friend or two, that would be much appreciated. Also, if you need marketing support for your digital agency, check out experiment27.com. Thanks.